Hi, I'm Mary Jo Johnson, and I'm going to be doing a presentation over group conflicts. When you think of group conflicts, people usually think of a group disagreeing with each other and not wanting to work together, which is basically what it is. Usually whenever they're told that they're going to be in a group, they automatically think, oh no, someone's not going to pull their weight, or everybody's going to have different ideas. And then they worry about the impending conflict that they're going to be dealing with within this group. But there's many ways of going about dealing with the conflict, strategies of how to prevent it, and methods on how to deal with the conflict when it arises. There are three major group conflict types. The first conflict type is task conflict, and with task conflict, the group conflict is when two or more members of the group disagree on an issue that they're needing to do and accomplish to reach their goals within the group and the organization, or whatever their means of being in this group in the first place. The second group type is process conflict. It's when there is a disagreement over the methods and procedures the group should use in order to accomplish the tasks that they are given. Personal conflict is one of the more conflicts that do happen, usually with the younger people, like in elementary school, secondary school, college. Personal conflict is when you have to deal with the affective, personality, emotional, and or relationship conflict that occurs in the group when members of the group do not like each other. There are several different methods on how to go about fixing the conflict that's within the group. The first one is the win-win negotiation method. It is trying to find a solution that works for both sides of the conflicting group, and hopefully the group will like what is said, so all of them feel like they are actually getting the positive from all aspects and are happy with the end result that the group will end with. The second method is the modified board count. It's a voting system that has everyone make a decision, then rank their options in order of preference. So it's like a ranking scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. They work with the number 10 first, and if that option didn't work, they go to number 9, the number 8, and so on and so forth, until they have a result that they are all happy with. The other method that is used to fix conflict is the multi-voting method, which is a democratic voting method. The option that has the most votes wins. That's basically all that it is. There are several different prevention strategies that go with group conflict. The first one is setting aside time to deal with the possibility of conflict, and dealing with the conflict when it first presents itself, so it doesn't get any worse than how it starts. Being open with all the group members in the group about ideas that each member has also will prevent potential conflict, because everybody has put their opinion out there and no one is being ignored, so they're more likely to feel like they're included. Also, each member should practice clear communication, active listening, and be able to identify assumptions that other members might have. Also, this will help with the groups to be able to better understand what everybody wants from the group. The members in the group must not take things personally and must not be looking for blame. So those are a few of the prevention strategies. There are certainly more strategies out there that help prevent. So that was my personal reflection. I had a situation at the job that I'm at now that it was between two members, and there was a lot of miscommunication and not seeing eye to eye, and one member was trying to get everybody else in the workplace on their side, but eventually they did talk to each other and clear up their miscommunication, and now it's a happy place to work. So that was my presentation. Thank you.